Maybe. Well, right now, at least I'm close to the water. There's a little river that runs through the Scarborough Fair. And then this is the Waterfalls. And Michael's going down that way. Down to after the falls is a little bit calmer. I can see all the algae and stuff blooming for, sadly, maybe whatever came through here. But I hear lots of wildlife, turkeys, and coyotes, and lots of birds, squirrels. I don't know, look at that handsome guy down there. But this is really cool. I could hear all this time. And when it rains, it's not down like this. It's way up this to this higher part over here, from what I understand. You can even get higher than that because people. But it's beautiful.